Please see this video until the end. At the end of the video you can create yourself ASP.NET MEC project using code first approach. So let us create a login form. So through login form, after entering the username and password, when the user submits the form, it goes to the user list. So like that we can create a scenario. So for that you need to create a login controller. So go to controller and create a login controller. Add a view. Just copy this one, paste it. So here what it does is, so I have a login name as a label and text box as an input and password as input, and I have a submit button. If a user clicks the submit button, it goes here in the begin form. It calls the user controller and index method here, user controller and index method, and this users is getting inserted in the view of the user list here. So that's all our code first demo is finalized. So let us just compile it first. So let us see whether it is showing any error or not. So actually it will create the new database called code first database in the DB also. So let us open this SQL Server database also, so that we can see. Actually here it will create the database and also new user table also here. Let us check the database whether it exists or not. So code first DB is there, code first test DB, all the things are there, but our database name is code first DB2. So let us see whether it is getting created or not. So let us run the project and check whether it is getting created or not. Actually it is a very simple project. By using the domain classes you are creating the database. So what it is doing is, whenever for example we are creating the user class, with the user class it creates a database for that one and creates a table user in the database. Okay, actually it will show the default page. So let us go and stop it, and we will have this login form as a default page, so that it will ask for the username and password. So go to app start and route config, and here you can call it as login, and same index it is okay for us, and let us run the project. And now it will show the login form, and inside that login form you have to enter the login name and login password and click the submit button, so that it will go to the user controller page. and from user controller index method we have the list of users. So first time it will take some time. Actually it is doing 2 times localhost here. Since we have started this browser earlier, so that one is called first. So since it is the first time it is getting loaded, it takes some time to load the web page. So we have to check whether this code first DB2 database is created in SQL Server database or not. So I think it takes much time to show the web page to us. Yes, it is getting connected now. So now you can see the login name and password. Just type some login name, Alex twist, and click the login button now. So now it should list us the user list in the browser. We have 3 records in the list, and it should got displayed. Actually now it is creating the new database, and also for the domain class correspondingly it creates the domain table, it creates a table, SQL Server table in the database. So that's the reason it takes so much of time. So now you can see that list of users here, username Alex, John and Peter. So this is what the code first demo does. So let us go and check whether it creates the code first DB2 in the database or not. So let us refresh the database here. See, code first DB2 is getting created here, and table users, one table also created. So this is the main advantage of creating code first. So no need to create a database through SQL Server database. So through our IDE itself we can create the database in the SQL Server. So this is the benefit of using code first demo. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So please subscribe to my USM Tech World channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much.